Good guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you for tuning in, and this is going to be video number 2 in my Building My Dream House series. I'm building a $1.3 million house. I bought it off market for $634,000. I'm going to be putting about $250,000 up to $300,000 in renovations into this property, and when I'm all said and done with it, it's going to be worth $1.3 million, and it's going to be my dream house here in Scottsdale, Arizona. So right now we're at my office, my wholesaling real estate office here in Scottsdale, Arizona, but we're going to head out and drive. It's about 10-15 minutes away from here, and we're going to drive to my house. It's in South Scottsdale. So right now we're in North Scottsdale. We're going to head to my house, which is in South Scottsdale near Old Town Scottsdale. And we're going to check on it because if you guys haven't watched the first video, go back in the series and watch the first video where I showed you the house before I did anything to it. And in this video, we're going to be showing you what it looks like now that I've ripped up the whole house. So I've done all the demo. We've teared out the whole backyard. We tore out the whole inside of the house, the kitchen, the bathrooms. We ripped it all out, and we're going to go check it out today. So let's jump in the Bronco and head out to South Scottsdale and check out my dream house that I'm building. Yo guys, I wanted to jump into this video real quick and let you know that I'm gonna be holding a free 1-hour live training where I show you how to make $20,000 or more in the next 60 days or less to get your first deal wholesaling real estate. Now, if you're already doing deals in this free live training, I'm also gonna show you how to scale your business to a full-blown company just like I've built. There's gonna be a link down below in the description to sign up for this 1-hour live training with me where I personally coach you in this business. Sign up right now, there's limited spots, and I'll see you there. All right guys, we're back here at my house in South Scottsdale. And as you can see, we got a 40-yard dumpster drop. That's the second dumpster I've had here. We've already filled one of them. This one's gonna be filled up by the end of the day. I got my contractor, Diego, here today. They're ripping out a bunch more stuff and finishing up the job. Now let's take a look at some of the demolition we've done to the house. We ripped out the whole kitchen. So there's some of the cabinets left and the appliances you can see. And then we got the dumpster right here. It's already about halfway full. But yeah, these appliances are so old and all this. So we've got all this ripped out. And then when we go into the house, you're gonna see it looks completely different than when you saw it a couple weeks ago. In just a matter of about a week, we got everything ripped out. All these walls ripped out, all the floors. All the floors are ripped out in every room. We got the bathrooms fully ripped out. You can see there was old wallpaper hidden behind the bathrooms. And same with this bathroom, all ripped out. And then when we come through here, just like I said I was gonna do, I was gonna open all these walls up. So we got that started, ripped all the drywall off of these walls, opened it all up, and as you can see, it's gonna be way bigger now. I was gonna do an island this way, but I'm probably gonna do the island, I'm gonna do the island this way. So I'm gonna put a big island right here. There's gonna be a 20-foot sliding glass door. But as you can see, we've ripped up the whole house. Kitchen's gone, and we've done a great job. And then back here, we ripped out the patio covering. So now we can see the whole house. The house is much bigger now that we're able to see the whole house. And then every tree in the whole backyard, we cut down every single tree. So there's no trees left. And so now we're just gonna get rid of all the rest of the junk, throw everything out, and then we'll start the reno. So I measured everything out, and we're gonna be putting a half-size basketball court, so not a full court. We're gonna put a half court over there. Then all this is gonna be turf right here. And then I'm gonna do a bunch of concrete pads with turf in between them right here, which looks super cool. And then the pool we're gonna get done in total on the backyard. I'm gonna be spending about $70,000 in reno on the backyard, and then about $200,000 on the house. So we're gonna square the house up and raise the ceilings and make the house look modern and square throughout around the whole thing. And then I'm gonna do a full gut reno on the inside, spend about 200 grand on all that total. And then 30 grand on the pool, about 20 grand on turf, 5-10 grand on other landscaping like rock and trees, and then another 10 grand, 15 grand on the basketball court. And then I'm probably gonna raise the brick wall up, the block wall, the cinder block wall around the backyard. I'm probably gonna raise it up a couple more blocks just for more privacy. And then I'm gonna paint the walls white. So that's kind of the plan that we have going on here. But yeah, it's gonna be super dope. And yeah, I'm looking forward to it. So the next video that we do will probably be an update after we start the renovation. So you're gonna see us raising up the ceilings, ripping out more of the walls, and really making it a full open concept house and raising everything up. So that's the plan. And make sure you guys stick around and watch every video that I'm gonna be doing at this house, because we're gonna be taking it from it being a complete mess that I locked it up for $600,000, and we're gonna turn it into a $1.3 million house by putting about $300,000 into it. So stick around. I'm gonna be posting videos every single week on the channel showing you what I'm doing to this house as I do this renovation. So I'm looking forward to it. I can't wait to live here. And I'm super excited. I live at the Optima currently, and I've been there like the past 4 years. It was my dream place to live, the Optima North Scottsdale, and I'll pop up some videos of it right now. It's a super dope place to live, but I'm tired of renting, and I want to own my house, and this house is going to be sweet. Massive diving pool, basketball court, all that. Super excited for it, and just it's $20,000 for the turf. It's about 4,000 square feet of turf. So I'm gonna have a massive grass backyard, and I plan on getting a dog, and my dog's gonna love the backyard and all that, so I'm super excited for it. But yeah, with that being said, make sure you guys stick around and watch all these videos. Go down below, hit the red button, and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys on the next video. Peace.